actually am doing this for Hearst GM right now. Uh, I'm the person you call when you don't want to ask your boss because you don't want to sound stupid, or it's very delicate. And that allows me to do a number of things, reinforce what I think is best practice. Also, the biggest mistake a new GM makes is not being completely forthright with people they work for. If if there's bad news, you have to tell them bad news, and it needs to travel fast because not only do they need to know that, that's what builds your personal credibility. Your person transparency, honesty builds credibility with the people you work for because it's important that you have their trust so that you can do what you need to do at the television. Uh, I insisted and made it clear when I worked first that I would have authority over the television. That doesn't mean I could do anything I wanted to, but I had some ideas. WXI was a horrible last place station. I had some thoughts on what we needed to do, and they let me do it. Some of it was pretty unconventional, but they supported me, and I love that company. Same thing in Birmingham. And, they're a private company without debt, so they can do that. General managers have to be careful also that they do not usurp department heads' role. So if someone comes to a general manager with certain want them to make certain decisions, there are times when you have to say, "Wait a minute, if you talk to your supervisor about this supervisor supervisor needs to make this decision, not me." Uh, some general managers are micromanagers. They try to know everything in the station. They want to make every decision. Um, there may be someone who's smart enough to do that, but I haven't met them yet. It's, I mean, think about it.